Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for a roasted leg of lamb, and today I'm making it in the roasting or la Caja box. So to make this I'm using a blend of Caribbean flavors spices, and I'm starting off with the Cajun seasoning blend. Then I'm going in with the citrus blend, the complete seasoning blend, the all-purpose seasoning blend, and the exciting rib rub. All of these seasonings combined give this a really delicious flavor. Next, you want to mix those dry ingredients together to make sure it's properly combined. Now to this other bowl I have garlic, and I'm going in with some fresh ginger and some fresh green seasoning. You just want to mix that together. Once properly mixed, we're going to go ahead and lightly season the leg of lamb. Now as you can see, I made cuts along the leg so that I can get that seasoning to go inside of those cuts to really flavor the meat. So taking your dry rub, you're going to put it on the inside of the cuts, and you want to use half on the top and then you'll save the other half for the other side. Do the same with that fresh seasoning blend. Rub it into those slits. This is really going to help that flavor go deep down into the bone. Once it's finished seasoning, go ahead and wrap it up in some foil. You want to wrap it really well, and I placed this on a baking tray because this is going to go into my box. So once you place it onto your baking tray, it either goes into your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or into your la Caja or roasting box. The last time I used this, I made a whole roasted pig, and you guys have to check out that recipe. Today I just put 2 pieces of pork in there together with a leg of lamb to cook. So this is going to cover, and it's going to cook until the leg of lamb has an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's finished, you can go ahead and remove it and cut your lamb up and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy, delicious recipe for a roasted leg of lamb. Make it and let me know if you like it, and I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy!